Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I'm Pınar Barlas, and with my colleagues Maximilian Kran, Styliani Kleanthos, Kyriakos Kyriakou, and Jana Oterbakır, we wrote the paper titled Shifting Our Awareness, Taking Back Tags, Temporal Changes in Computer Vision Services Social Behaviors. In August 2021, we decided to replicate a study we ran back in October 2018, where we audited image tagging algorithms. Image tagging algorithms, or ITAs, are computer vision services which analyze an input image and output tags, words or phrases, that describe the contents of the image. With the replication, we wanted to answer two questions. The first was about whether and how the vocabulary, as in the set of tags used by each service for our input images, would differ after 3 years. The second research question was about whether the use of the tags changed with respect to social groups of the people depicted in the images, particularly regarding tags that describe sensitive concepts, such as demographics or other intangible constructs. In 2018, we audited 6 services, but when we went to collect our data in August 2021, we found that IBM Watson's image tagging service was discontinued. Therefore, we currently examine how the other 5 services, Amazon, Clarify, Google, Imaga, and Microsoft, have changed since our 2018 study. Identical to our methodology in 2018, we used the same set of standardized portrait photographs from the Chicago Face database. These images were sent to the image tagging algorithms, and the outputs cleaned in the same manner as the previous study. At this point, we filtered out tags that had not appeared in 2018 and placed them into the appropriate clusters in our typology, which we had manually created in 2018 to group tags with similar meanings. I will now briefly highlight some of our results, but please refer to the paper for a more detailed and nuanced analysis of the exact changes we observed. Overall, every ITA had some changes to its vocabulary, with the magnitude ranging from just 9 tags to 52 tags. We looked closer at the clusters in our typology to see whether these changes were concentrated around particular themes, and found that tags relating to demographics had the most interesting changes. One of the motivations for our replication was in fact Google's announcement in early 2020 that they would be removing all gender-related tags from their tagging algorithm, as a person's gender cannot be inferred from their appearance. True to their announcement, Google did not use any gender-related tags in 2021, and interestingly, the outputs did not include any age-related tags either. Amazon, on the other hand, stood out as the only ITA that added demographic tags, one relating to age and another to both age and gender. While Clarify's vocabulary of gender-related tags remained identical to that of 2018, its performance on inferring the correct gender on women's images improved in 2021. Amazon, on the other hand, improved its performance on men's images, potentially as a result of adding another masculine tag to its vocabulary. The probability of inferring the correct gender for Black individuals, particularly women, remains lower than that of other races and genders, echoing both our 2018 results and those of other audits of computer vision services. Looking at the use of the tags in the abstract supercluster, we found that Google stopped using the only abstract tag it had been using in 2018, while Amazon, which had used no abstract tags in 2018, used 2 new tags in 2021. Clarify and Imaga continue to have a large vocabulary of abstract tags that they use relatively frequently, especially with regard to judgments on attractiveness. Women and some races remain, in 2021, more likely to receive these types of judgment-related tags as compared to the other gender and racial identities. To summarize, we saw some big changes to both the vocabularies of the image tagging algorithms, as well as changes in the ways that the tags were being used across gender and race groups. Some of these changes are in line with an increased awareness of and sensitivity towards social issues. While one service made an official announcement of their change in tags and tagging behavior, none of the other services communicated the changes we have observed in this replication study after 3 years. To read about the results in detail and learn about the limitations of our study, please check out the full paper. Thank you.